Hi, I'm Jason, sales manager here at Roywood Transits. Today I do the sales walk around video for you for the Ford Transit Custom fridge conversion van behind me. So for sale here at Roywood Transits, it's a Ford Transit Custom 300 model, so 1-ton payload, short wheelbase and low roof. It is the leader, but it does have cab aircon, so it's the base model, but with cab aircon. So engine-wise, 2 litre 105. 6-speed manual, Euro 6, so ULEZ compliant for you. Again, leader in white, cab aircon. GAH fridge conversion. Standard fridge, not a freezer this one, so standard fridge, so just chill. Side door, rear barn doors, finished in the frozen white for you. 2023 on a 23 plate. So there's a little bit of Ford warranty left, but obviously we would put 6 months on it anyway, which will cross over to about when it's 3 years old. Lovely, lovely low mileage, 19,000 miles. Rear parking sensors. Should probably open the door and show you the fridge in the back. Always going to be helpful. Here we are. So, nice bright LED. Got your fridge condenser in there for you. Lovely conversion, all clean and shiny. We've got a little upstand at the back end as well to stop your supplies from rolling out. There's the same on the side loading door, so they're not just going to come bolting out for you. The GAH fridge will have fully serviced for you before the vehicle goes into service as well. So vehicle transit will have a service, oil change, come with our 6-month warranty. Like I say, the fridge will be serviced as well. So 2.5 years old, Transit Custom, and obviously being the converted already, it will go into service quite quickly for you. Chiller, standard stereo, got your aircon button in there as well. 6-speed manual. Key in, 19,000 miles. Dashboard computer control. Bluetooth control. DAB on the radio. Electric windows for you. If you'd like any more details or you'd like to book a viewing or a test drive, you're more than welcome. Give me a call in the office, please. 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much for your interest. Thanks for watching. Take care.